Hey ho, welcome to Saturday morning. It's I think 7:30 and it does look a little bit overcast today, but it's very pretty. Now the reason we're up fairly early today is because we're actually going to the Big Pineapple at 9:30, but me and Jimmy are going to go for a little bit of a run down along the beach, probably down towards the other side and then back. And in the meantime, Celina and Violet are going to get ready. So hopefully when we get back, take a quick shower and then head off to the Big Pineapple. Woohoo! We made it to the Big Pineapple. Not as big as I expected it to be. I think we made it to the food and lolly section of the market. Waffles. Pancakes. So we just got out of the market and everybody got really cool, nice handmade bracelets. A really pretty bracelet.
Yeah, and it is. An aquarium, which is clarity and calmness, which apparently is something I need a lot in my life.
And so now we're on the way to go for a train ride around the Big Pineapple, although I'm not sure the train goes around there. I think it just goes along the pineapple plantations. So certainly there's a lot of excitement around here now that the train's arriving. Thanks for photobombing. Woohoo! And we're all here ready to take our little train ride. Say hi everyone. Hi everyone.
You know, babies just don't come from stalks. They don't?
Shocked, world shattered.
To me. Explain what happens to you. I'll show you now.
So we're getting off here to go to the animal zoo and feed some animals.
What are you doing?
It knows that you have food. You can probably pick him up.
Yeah, they seem really terrified though. They're just like huddled in the corner and like, oh, leave me alone. Grab one.
Grab one each. Baby chicklets.
Oh, so little.
Oh, so cute. What was that? So we're leaving the Big Pineapple behind. Had some food, train ride, pet some animals and got some custom-made jewelry from Jo from Earth Jewel Creations, which was really nice of her. And I think we're on the way to cheese, chocolate or some other factory. I think we've got a pretty full schedule today. Where are we?
I don't know, where are we?
I see cheese. There's a whole bunch of cheese to try. And you can also see where they make the cheese. You're gonna try some more cheese?
Yeah, I already had like cheddar and lemon garlic. That's really good.
It's, you know, first come, first serve, and whoever eats more wins. When you're at the cheese factory, what are you gonna get? Fried brie with cranberry sauce. That actually looks very delicious. Looks kind of like chicken wings. So and now we're on the way to Chocolate and Nut, or Nut and Chocolate Factory. Nutworks. Apparently a nut factory that also makes chocolate. So I'm curious to see how much chocolate we can eat there. So we're on our way to the Chocolate and Nut Factory at the moment, and because we're going to stuff ourselves with lots of chocolate and other sweet, unhealthy goodness, we thought we'd make a quick pit stop in Montville because Jimmy wanted to pick up some fudge. Okay, so you just wanted to stop by for a tea party?
I'm just gonna sit with this rabbit. Yes. This dirty rabbit.
It's not dirty.
It's brown. If it's not dirty, then hug it. Lick it. You said it's not
Exactly,
dirty.
it's not dirty. Prove it.
Lick it. I'm not gonna lick it. This is Violet and her friend, which she refuses to lick. They're like the best friends ever.
Totally. That's why she brought us along, right?
Yeah, if she didn't want to be asked to lick rabbits, she shouldn't have asked us to come along.
Exactly. So yeah, we were gonna go to the chocolate nut factory, but unfortunately they're closed. So just across the road, we're gonna go to the ginger factory instead. So yeah, that was kind of a bit of a fudge. So it turned out that because it's 4:30, everything's kind of closing down. So there's no more tasting at the ginger factory, and the chocolate factory is already closed down. So even though it's just across the road, nut works. Everything's kind of closed down by now. I think we're gonna be heading back now and get ourselves some food and probably some more frozen yogurt. Frozen yogurt was awesome.
Yay.
Let's get some of that. So we're back, had dinner, and we of course went back to Yogurt World because they had really good yogurt. So I got some more Greek style yogurt with mango, and Celina got some lychee with baby marshmallows because they were out of lychee fruit. Tomorrow we're just gonna be doing mainly videos and hanging out. Maybe go to the pool, see what the weather's like. Woo. So I'll see you then.